Hello everyone. Today, we have a heartwarming story that will not only touch your heart, but also help you learn new vocabulary words. Follow along as we meet Angel, a kind little girl, and a lost kitten who finds its way back home. Listen carefully and read through the story along with me as you listen it.
The Lost Kitten. Once upon a time in a small village, a little girl named Angel found a tiny, shivering kitten under a tree. The kitten looked frightened and lost. Angel gently picked up the kitten and wrapped it in her warm scarf. "Don't worry, little one. I will take care of you," she whispered. She took the kitten home and gave it some milk. The kitten purred happily and rubbed its head against Angel's hand. Angel decided to name it Bella. The next day, Angel put up posters around the village to find Bella's owner. An old woman named Mrs. Brown saw the poster and rushed to Angel's house. "Oh dear, that is my kitten," Mrs. Brown exclaimed joyfully. "I lost him 2 days ago. Thank you so much for finding him." Angel felt happy but also a little sad to say goodbye. Mrs. Brown noticed this and smiled. "Would you like to visit Bella anytime?" she asked. Angel nodded excitedly. From that day on, she often visited Mrs. Brown and Bella, and they all became great friends.
Here are 8 important words from the story that we will learn today. Shivering. Frightened. Gently. Purr. Exclaimed. Joyfully. Noticed. Excitedly. Now, let's explore each word step by step. Word number 1. Shivering. It is a verb, meaning shaking slightly because of cold or fear. Example sentences. The dog was shivering in the cold. John was sitting on the floor shivering with fear. Word number 2. Frightened. It is a verb, meaning feeling scared or afraid. Example sentences. She was frightened by the sudden noise. He was too frightened to speak. Word number 3. Gently. It is an adverb, meaning in a soft and careful way. Example sentences. She held the baby gently. The door closed gently. Word number 4. Purr. It is a verb, meaning the soft sound a cat makes when happy. Example sentences. The cat was purring contentedly in my lap. The kitten settled comfortably in her arms and was purring enthusiastically. Word number 5. Exclaimed. It is a verb, meaning spoke suddenly with strong emotion. Example sentences. She exclaimed in delight upon hearing the news. The children exclaimed with wonder when they saw the elephant. Word number 6. Joyfully. It is an adverb, meaning in a very happy way. Example sentences. She welcomed him joyfully into her house. Investors reacted joyfully to the news. Word number 7. Noticed. It is a verb, meaning saw or became aware of something. Example sentences. I noticed a crack in the ceiling. Mary waved at the man, but he didn't seem to notice. Word number 8. Excitedly. It is an adverb, meaning showing great happiness or enthusiasm. Example sentences. She ran excitedly down the hall to greet her cousins. He talked excitedly about his father's new car. Let's test your understanding of the new words. Try to answer these questions. How did Mrs. Brown react when she found Bella?
She exclaimed joyfully and was very happy to find her lost kitten.
What does the word purr mean?
A soft sound that a cat makes when it is happy and comfortable.
What does a person do when they feel frightened?
They may feel scared, their heart might beat faster, and they may even shiver.
The more you practice, the better you'll remember these words. Keep learning and having fun. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun vocabulary lessons. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for your support, and keep learning with us.